Welcome back to another Get Your Life Together video. This series is all about me getting my life together and y'all joining me if you so choose. So in this video, we're tackling my kitchen. So we have lived in this house for about a year and a half at this point, I think it is. In our previous house, I had gone through and decluttered and organized everything, every single room, every closet, everything was done. And so it was a little challenging for me to move into this house and feel like things were not, everything didn't have its place. And it really honestly stressed me out a lot in the beginning. But one thing that I have learned is that you must live with the space. You must be in the space. You must live in the space. You must let your little humans destroy a space in order to understand how it will best function or not function for your family. So with that said, I am, in hindsight, glad that when we first moved in, I just kind of threw things in the cabinets, was like, this is good, we'll just put this here and put this here and carry on. Kind of chaos of it all stressed me out for a good while. But in the end, I think it really helped me to have a very clear picture of what we needed, how we needed things to go in the kitchen. I'm very excited to bring you along for today's video. We are going to completely organize and declutter my kitchen. Hopefully an actual makeover of this kitchen will be coming sometime in the near future. But for now, we organize and we declutter. If you like videos like this, if you like to see things go from to, ooh, pretty, sparkly, nice, then subscribe, because there's a lot more of this to come. I have my entire house to do. I'm getting boob sweat just thinking about it, honestly. Whew, it's a lot, but it's gonna be so good when it's all done. So subscribe if you want more of that. So this kitchen is significantly larger than the kitchen in our previous home. However, we've lived here for a year and a half. We're just trying to figure out how to make this space function. And what I can say for certain is that we are not, it's not functioning well. We're not utilizing the space to the best of its ability. And while there's lots of things we want to change cosmetically when we renovate the kitchen, the organization, it just can't wait any longer. So this is kind of our coffee area where, we store coffee and teas and all kinds of things, but it's a disaster, It's just, just not functional at all. This cabinet under here, there's pots and pans and an old coffee pot. I don't even know. It's just become a catch-all for stuff. There's some wine glasses and stuff, but then there's kids' hair products and things. Nintendo Switch and games up there. Terrible place to store that. There's a little bit of storage under these cabinets here, but we're using that for homeschooling stuff. Then we got cabinets on this side of the fridge. It's a disaster right now because we've just been in the middle of a bunch of projects. So everything that gets collected from other projects just gets thrown in here. So our junk drawer is a junk drawer. It's a disaster. Coffee mugs and measuring cups and double stacked, but not space used up there. I don't even know. I have no excuses for this. I'm just showing you. It's just kind of a mess. This is our kids. Whoops, don't come over on me, broom. It's our kids' stuff, accessible for them, which I want to keep that way. And then up here, we have all of our travel cups. This is no bueno, because when you go to grab that, if you're trying to get one from the back, everything falls. Plus, we store Rubbermaid containers, you know what I'm saying, leftover containers back there. Not a good idea. We've got plates and bowls and spices, which it's okay, but it's not as good as it could be. This one drives me a little bit nuts because it's incredibly overfull. So when you try to get a sheet pan or something out of here, it all comes crashing down on you. This microwave broke, so it's not functional, which is why we have a microwave on the counter over there. Is okay, but again, I think it could be better. More pots and pans in here, more in here. I like this, I really like this. This is for garbage. Measuring spoons, this is just kind of a mess. This is a big old mess. Oh, I didn't even show you the other one. Big old mess. And of course, under the sinkware is always a mess, but I have big plans for this. Big plans. And this is, I think, the thing I'm most excited about in the entire kitchen is this space. Part of what makes these difficult is they are pretty shallow. So there's only certain things you can fit in here. So it's not, again, as functional as it could be, but we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. And then of course over here, yikes, yikes, yikes. Cabinets that are not being, I mean, sort of organized from our previous organization in the last house, but not as good as it could be. This cabinet, my goodness, I just opened this last night and was like, what the heck are we doing here? Like, there's no shelves. So talk about a bunch of wasted space. And I don't even know what's happening in this cabinet, I'll be honest. I'm not even sure what's in here. Who knows? Ziploc, plastic spoons and crap. I mean, just terrible. What is that? Oh, it looked like something else. I was like, why is that? What? We have one single roasting pan in there. I don't even know. A plate? I thought that was a meat thermometer. It's not. No one knows what that is. A serving set, still in the box, taking up a whole drawer. A crock pot. Terrible use of a drawer. Terrible. Another crock pot. Cast iron, which is heavy.
Hey.
And then here.
Don't touch my barbecue drawer.
What's that?
Don't touch my barbecue drawer.
I'm throwing away all of your barbecue
Do not
stuff.
touch.
All of it. You'll never be able to
Right
barbecue
here.
again. Okay, what's this?
What's what? That goes to your cake stuff. That's not mine.
What?
Yep.
What does that do in a
Baking,
cake?
decorating. You screw it in the cake. Little things on
Do you have
top
any
of
idea
it.
what you're talking about?
Nope.
Okay. Disaster. Disaster. I actually have to get CR's help when I need to get something out of this one because it's full of pots, and this is like a crock pot that holds 3 different things for like dips. A bunt pan. When was the last time anybody used a bunt pan? What's a bunt pan?
You make a bundt cake. It's shaped like a bundt.
We've also got this cabinet over here, which is storing some things. More things, other things. This thing was emptied out, but now I've moved like some of my formal dishes and stuff into here. Let's see what we can do. I don't know. I'm the kind of person that like I have kind of a vision, but I need to just get going. What is this?
Oh, Grandma gave it to us. I forgot about that. It's for making dog biscuits. It will actually cook dog treats.
Dog biscuits? Dog waffles?
Like dog biscuits. It will, if you can Google some recipes for like actual dog biscuits. Because if you bake them in the oven, they always turn puffy and soft. That actually like cooks them. It's cool.
Dog biscuit maker. Got it.
our name? Aren't they fleeting anyway? I'm more fortunate than I have been told. Now that I found your heart of gold. Oh, honey, but I never guarantee we'll be fine. Aren't we even one day at a time? Oh, my, I know everything can change, may change, but I'll still fall for you every day. Are you ready, dear? Oh, we must be sure there's no turning back once we're out the door. Leave your message here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home.